Wondering how to make the most out of your summer vacation? Well, don't forget your sunscreen because we've got a seriously epic lineup of summer gear and gadgets just for you. So gear up and enjoy your next vacation to the fullest with our selection of top-notch summer gadgets. So, without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Life's a wave. Ride it with confidence. Introducing Kenji Sport, the ultimate summer companion for water enthusiasts. This sleek wearable is your guardian angel on the water, ensuring safety without cramping your style. Sail, surf, kayak, or just swim worry-free with Kenji on your wrist. Need a helping hand? Just pull the lever and voila! An inflation bag quickly propels you to the surface, providing buoyancy in emergencies. With a compass and a whistle attached, you're ready for any adventure. Suitable for up to 280 pounds, Kenji Sport keeps you afloat effortlessly. The price of this amazing gear is $79.99. Experience blissful comfort with the Kelseys Original Foldable Canopy Chair. This remarkable summer gear transforms into your personal sanctuary, shielding you from the elements while you savor the sun-kissed moments. The retractable sun canopy, boasting 50+ UPF protection, keeps you cool and shaded. Need a tan? Simply lower it behind you and soak up those rays. With a spacious cup holder and plush, oversized armrests, relaxation reaches all new heights. Effortlessly fold and secure the canopy, transforming it into a convenient carry case with a snap-lock buckle and attached shoulder strap. The price of this absolute wonder is just $52, including a 13% discount. On the shore or on the river, enjoy your summer wherever you want with the Creek Cooler, your ultimate water companion. This innovative floating cooler is the epitome of cool, keeping your drinks chilled and your snacks fresh for endless outdoor fun. With its dual-wall construction and top-quality insulation, this guy boasts unrivaled ice retention. Glide effortlessly across any surface as the Crate Cooler follows your kayak, canoe, SUP, or raft. Secure it with tow points for easy access to your favorite beverages and treats. With a spacious capacity of 30 cans and 20 pounds of ice, the Creek Cooler is always ready for your exciting summer escapades. The price of this bad boy is $199. Dive into summer like a pro with H2 Odyssey folding fins and enjoy your time in the water to the fullest. As the waves beckon, these swim fins guarantee superior comfort and performance. Crafted from a blend of thermoplastic rubber and polypropylene, they offer a soft and pliable design that hugs your feet just right. The flexible foot stirrup ensures a secure grip, keeping you confident and slip-free during swimming, snorkeling, and scuba diving adventures. Lightweight and ever travel-friendly, they fit effortlessly into any carry-on luggage, making these guys the perfect companions for stress-free beach explorations. The price of this reliable gear is $277. Summer vibes call for epic gatherings, and Base Camp Hammock is here to take your hammocking experience to the next level. Picture this, a monstrosity of a hammock spanning 21 feet by 12 feet, accommodating you and 550 pounds of your closest friends. This guy's not just a hammock. It's a portable community space designed to unite people in the spirit of inclusion and fun. Take it to picnics, summer camps, camping trips, shoot, anywhere connections are made. Bigger, better, and ready to elevate your summer gatherings. The price of this is just $98, including a 21% discount. All right, let's crank up the music and let it blast. Say hello to Turtlebox, the ultimate outdoor speaker that is so ready to rock your world. With its rugged design and unbeatable sound quality, it is time to unleash the music on your summer adventures. Get ready for distortion-free sound that reaches a mind-blowing 120 decibels, perfect for cutting through the wind and traveling across any distance. Built to withstand all of life's adventures, Turtlebox is tough, shock-resistant, dust-proof, and waterproof. The price of this tough guy is only $399. Dive into a world of excitement with Subnato, the ultimate underwater scooter that's ready to make a splash. It's time to explore the depths with unmatched freedom and thrills. Compact and portable, Subnato fits in your carry-on like a breeze, delivering up to 14.33 pounds of thrust with its efficient propulsion system. With the intuitive finger ring controller, you'll have complete control with just a single finger, while the quick-release design lets you attach it anywhere that you like. The price of this baby is $399, including a 20% discount. Get rid of heavy air tanks and dive far more easily with the compact, lightweight convenience of Sea Air, the tankless dive system. With up to 5 hours of battery life and pure, properly delivered air, Sea Air lets you dive deeper and stay down longer. No more complicated equipment or refills needed, just pure underwater fun. Whether you're a professional diver, underwater photographer, or just a water sports enthusiast, Sea Air is your perfect companion. Its compact, rugged, and lightweight design makes it so convenient for beach or pool diving, while the advanced filtration system ensures clean and breathable air. This unit comes equipped with a built-in LED light at the bottom that will light your way through the murky water or during night dives. Take advantage of our super early bird pricing on the Sea Air Standard Package and pay only $299. Beat the summer heat and keep your drinks cooler than ever with the Flextail Evo Icer. Forget about bulky coolers and waiting hours for ice. The Evo Icer is compact, lightweight, and cordless, giving you the freedom to enjoy icy drinks anywhere. With its 3-hour battery life and the ability to make 400+ ice cubes before recharging, you'll never run out of ice on your adventures. The Evo Icer's advanced cooling system ensures fast and efficient ice production, beating out all the other ice makers in speed and quantity. This guy right here is made with food-grade materials, and using a natural, non-toxic refrigerant, you can enjoy your icy treats worry-free. Oh, did I mention that this guy even doubles as a charging hub with its convenient ports, so you can keep your devices powered up while you chill out? Get the Flextail Evo Icer along with its included accessories for the early bird price of $359, a significant 35% off its retail price. Dive into joy, for water holds endless adventures. Yet, safety will remain paramount. So, introducing Pluto, the first sensor-controlled safety necklace for swimmers. With Pluto, we've harnessed technology to protect you and your loved ones from aquatic dangers. As you glide through the water, this sleek device remains your silent guard, ready to act in an emergency. The sensors on the casing automatically detect the danger if your head is submerged for more than 30 seconds, and it triggers a release mechanism, keeping your head above water when you need it most. Lightweight and available in 3 sizes, Pluto ensures a secure fit for all, from toddlers to adults. The price of this lifesaver is a super well-invested $110. Unlock endless possibilities for modern outdoor enthusiasts with the Angle Bag. This awesome gadget is the ultimate solution to protect your valuables from dirt and water. Dive in with confidence as this waterproof wonder hugs your body and keeps your essentials dry and secure. Its clever organization system offers easy access to your belongings, while the triangular design ensures effortless use. Rely on its full cushion system support for comfort in any activity, and its flexible thermoformed materials for an added layer of style and protection. Experience breathability and durability with the Ventaprene technology and ripstop materials. The price of this is only $49, including a 50% discount. Life is just better with a cooler adventure. Introducing the Ice Mule Pro Backpack Cooler. Made with our durable muleskin fabrics and featuring the game-changing IM air valve, this soft-sided cooler is built to withstand any beach day, hike, or picnic. With its ultra-tough exterior and interior, coupled with polar layer insulation, this guy's gonna keep your drinks icy cold for over 24 hours. Designed for convenience, this lightweight backpack cooler boasts padded and ventilated straps, leaving your hands free to carry your surfboard, fishing pole, or any other adventure gear that you might need. With welded seams and a zipperless closure, this cooler is completely waterproof and even floats alongside your kayak, all thanks to the innovative IM air valve. The price of this cool gear is $134. Leave behind the sweltering heat and step into a world of cool camping bliss with the Chills Pro Powerful Air Cooler. Enjoy the flash evaporation effect with Chills Pro as it sprays a refreshing mist in front of its turbine, creating a blissful oasis of coolness. Its duct turbine ensures a powerful and accelerated airflow, cooling not only the air, but also lowering the room temperature in just minutes. With its wide gear set, this compact wonder oscillates a full 150 degrees, ensuring coolness reaches every corner of your space. The 20,000 mAh lithium battery ensures continuous operation throughout the day, powering not only the fan and spray, but also serving as a handy power bank for your USB-powered devices. This little R2-D2 unit has a 42% early bird discount and is priced at just $79. If you enjoyed this video and found it valuable, go on and give us that thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to our channel and stay tuned because another great video is coming up next. As always, thanks for watching.